Welcome back to the Pain series. This is episode 4. Today we're going to talk about the necessary working capital and resetting your expectations. Most of the time, I'm talking to new investors that come inbound, and they're so excited about their property going live. And their expectation is that they read on some dashboard that the first booking is going to come in 7 days. And then possibly my house is going to get to 80% occupied in 28 to 40 days. Well, there's a difference between occupancy and cash flow. And as a new business owner, you have to understand cash flow is king. So keep this in mind. This is the order of operation when things happen, especially if you're on a platform that collects a booking fee. So if a new person moves into the house, the platform may take the first 10 days. That means that, let's just do simple math, $210 a week, divide by 7, that's $30 a day. So times 10, the first $300 of collected revenue is going to go to the platform as a booking fee. You do not get the cash flow for that first week. So you have to understand the systems and the billing systems and deep dive into the cash flow so that you have the working capital you need so that you can pay the mortgage, utilities, and all the expenses over the first 90 days. That's our rule of thumb. When we talk to our students in our program, have 90 days of working capital. Do not lose sleep that you cannot pay the mortgage and that this business is going to go under before you even get started. Understand the cash flow of how your business is going to run. Good luck.